In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right HeritCoin app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to download the right HeritCoin app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this option called Play Store here, and then using the search bar up here, or if you can see the search bar on top here, go ahead and find a search icon here. If you tap on it, now you can go ahead and search by name like that, and then go ahead and tap on the search icon to search for it. You can see app is here, HeritCoin AI coin identifier. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from HeritCoin. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 59,000 reviews, and currently it has over 1 million downloads. I know by the time you're watching this, these figures might have changed. And the file size is averagely 40 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of HeritCoin app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can go ahead and tap on open here. Or if you go back to your apps, now you can see our HeritCoin app is here. So if I tap on it, you can see this is the welcoming interface with the logo and the tagline below. Then from here, go ahead and tap on continue to create your own account. So that's how you can install HeritCoin app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.